Okay. Now is the third part. Most importantly, we need to make sure most importantly, I need to make sure the drive chain is working. It's the most important component. So this part, I will drive the system to show you how the system works. Now it already in high voltage. Now it's ready. Okay. I need to save the CAN message. And first step, I need to put my foot on the brake, and I put the D. This is the gear panel. I put the D. We can see now in the dashboard. Now it's D. 拉近一点拍这个。D means the drive forward, and 1 means the first gear. And I release the handbrake. And I put my foot slowly on the accelerator. Okay, now we can see okay, we hear some sound. The PDO K3 are already off, and the K5, we could turn off K5, and we need to start again. And the driving is fine, and we go to the D again. Because the battery is very small, and if this battery only 11 kilowatt hour, and this drive train is 400 kilowatt. So this small battery, when it drives the drive train, it power the drive train is very weak. So sometimes it will have some fault happen. But in this project, we supply the range extender, and our customer, they buy from us the 175 kilowatt hour battery, so it's very enough for the drive train. And we'll start again. Now it's D, and I slowly accelerate the drive train. You can see now see in the dashboard. See in the dashboard. This is the motor speed, and this is the vehicle speed. And now it's outputting 9 amps, and already 0.5 C of the battery. Now the motor speed already going up to 1,600. We can go higher, but the small battery cannot support. And we really do a very careful testing of the whole drive train. It should be no problem. So we change to neutral gear. We pull up the handbrake, and we switch to reverse gear. Now it's in reverse. We can see the reverse gear is on, and we have a very small light here. This is the reverse light, and we have another light here. Is for the brake. We have a small a light for a lamp for showing the signal. This signal is for the reverse lamp, light. And this one is for the brake. So let me show you if I step on the brake. See here, if I step on the brake, the light is on. Now it's in reverse gear. If I put to neutral gear, light is off. Because this light is the brake, the reverse light. Okay, I turn on to the reverse gear now. And I slowly I turn off the handbrake. And I slowly step on the accelerator. You can see here now, the drivetrain is going into another direction. You can see in the dashboard. In the dashboard is already now the motor is already going up to 1,400. And because we already set the speed limit in the VCU software, so it will keep working. It will keep in a very low speed for the safety. Okay, okay, we can see now the system working fine. I change to neutral gear. Change to neutral gear, and I pull up the handbrake. Okay. We can see now the system driving is very good. Nothing happened. Not any report from the dashboard. Everything is working fine. So we will keep the 10 messages also. Thank you for your watching.